Are you finding your avocado toast no longer trendy? Let me show you my avocado toast recipe that I know you deserve. We'll start today by getting our toast ready. Toast 2 slices of your favorite bread. It's toasting time! Perfection! Time for the star of the show, your avocado. Carefully cut your avocado lengthwise. This one's ready to go, and discard the seed. Now scoop your avocado into a bowl. Did you know that these avocados not only have healthy fats, but also lots of fiber? Now season them with a pinch of salt. Guess what time it is? It's smashing time! Smash your avocado with a fork until it's no longer lumpy. Into a pan on the stove, drizzle some olive oil. And let's make it hot on high heat. Add a handful of cherry tomatoes. Season these bad boys with a pinch of salt and a pinch of pepper. And now we're gonna stir fry these cherry tomatoes till they're delicious and blistering hot like this. Let's bring together your masterpiece. Bring back our perfectly toasted toast and scoop on that deliciously smashed avocado. Feel free to load it on as much as you like. Remember those ripe and blistered cherry tomatoes that we seasoned perfectly on the pan? It's time for them to shine. Now crumble on some savory feta cheese to add that richness. Add a touch of sweetness with some balsamic vinegar glaze. Make sure it's the glaze version or else it'll be super runny, which is not good. Finish off with a fresh squeeze of lemon. And there you have it, the avocado toast that you deserve. Thanks for watching. Check out my other breakfast recipes.